How to make lollipops with Jolly Ranchers. 3 ways to make Jolly Ranchers lollipops. Jolly Rancher Lollipops Method 1. Ingredients: Jolly Rancher candies. Other things you will need: 4-inch lollipop sticks, baking sheet, parchment paper. Step 1: Preheat the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2: Line the baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 3: Unwrap the Jolly Ranchers and place 2 or 3 candies side by side, as close as possible. Step 4: Place in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes, but check at the 5th minute to ensure they don't fully melt into liquid form. Step 5: Remove from the oven and quickly push the lollipop sticks into the melted Jolly Ranchers. Make sure to roll the sticks gently to completely cover them with the melted candy. Step 6: Put back in the oven for another minute just to ensure the sticks are completely covered. Step 7: Rest at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes before removing from the parchment paper. Jolly Rancher Lollipops Method 2. Ingredients: Jolly Rancher candies. Other things you will need: 4-inch lollipop sticks, mug, lollipop mold, non-stick cooking spray, paper towel, hot water. Step 1: Unwrap 4 Jolly Ranchers of the same color and place them in a mug. Step 2: Spray the sucker part of the mold with non-stick cooking spray and lightly wipe off the excess with a paper towel. Step 3: Microwave the candies in the mug for 30 seconds on medium heat. Heat again for another 15 to 30 seconds over medium-high heat to make the mixture bubble. Step 4: Quickly yet carefully pour the melted candy into the lollipop mold and insert the lollipop sticks immediately. Step 5: Rinse the mug with hot water to melt the leftover candies. Step 6: Repeat steps 1 to 6 until you have all the lollies you need. Step 7: Chill for about 30 minutes before popping the lollipops out of the mold. Jolly Rancher Lollipops Method 3. Ingredients: Jolly Rancher candies, sprinkles, optional. Other things you will need: 4-inch lollipop sticks, heat-proof lollipop mold, baking sheet, parchment paper, Ziploc bag, cutting board, rolling pin. Step 1: Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2: Line the baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 3: Unwrap the Jolly Rancher candies and place them in a Ziploc bag by color. Step 4: Place the bag on top of the cutting board and break the candies into small pieces using the rolling pin. Step 5: Fill each mold generously with broken candies. Step 6: Place the mold on the lined baking sheet and pop into the oven. Step 7: Melt the candies for 5 to 6 minutes. Step 8: Remove the mold from the oven and quickly insert the lollipop sticks. Step 9: Optional, top with sprinkles immediately before the candy starts to harden. Step 10: Chill for about 30 minutes before popping the lollipops out of the mold.